How can complete beginners start an online business and live a happier, healthier and much more well-balanced lifestyle? Well, my latest ebook has been created for the 85% of people that are unhappy in their traditional job role, and it's available just by clicking the link below. It highlights the simple methods for people with no previous experience, no tech skills, or even any product ideas. They're thinking about changing direction in life by earning an income in a new way. Now you can have my ebook designed specifically for beginners for free by hitting the Access Now button and dropping me your details to get your completely free copy today. Just a few months ago, I myself was on YouTube and a video like this popped up from a chap called Mike. He was a regular guy, over 50, with no previous online experience, who had been able to completely replace his income within 6 months and now had 3 online businesses working less than 10 hours a week. That was exactly what I was screaming out for. He sent me some free training explaining that with an internet connection and a laptop, you're in business absolutely anywhere. And now I'm at the point in my journey that I'm helping other people change their lives for the better, and hopefully you can be one of them. And I can guarantee you that the methods I've laid out in this short ebook, they're not for people looking for a get rich quick scheme, but they will offer you skills so that you can earn money in your sleep from anywhere just by following world-class step-by-step training. Just picture what you could be doing with your life, with your day, if it was happier, healthier and much more well-balanced, not just for you but for the relationships with your family and maybe even your friends. Now, of course, you could carry on doing what you've always done, but if you are in a growth mindset and you're ready for a bit of a change, I'll send you my free ebook, plus as a bonus today I'll also send you the free training video series that got me started straight to your inbox. All you gotta do, like I say, is click the Access Now button on your screen and I'll get all the info across to you immediately. And look, if no one's told you today, you're an absolute legend and you're the one with the power to live life on your own terms. Thank you so much for listening, and hopefully I look forward to speaking to you soon.